I think there's several thousand stars that are visible to the naked eye. But if you were to be able to look at the entire galaxy, it's 100 billion stars out there. Now with InfoSight, we collect as many data points every 4 hours as there are stars in the entire galaxy.
The app data gap is the amount of time it takes for your application asking for data to when it gets that data and can serve it back to you and allow you to do your job.
Another way to define it would be when you ask your system to do something and it takes longer than you'd expect given what you asked it to do.
75% of businesses experience the app data gap. So our goal at Nimble is to solve that problem by delivering data velocity. And what we mean by data velocity is nonstop availability and absolute performance.
More than 50% of the time, the problem isn't actually with the storage itself. It's somewhere in between the storage and the application.
So that might be networking, might be host side issues, configuration.
And that's why we've designed InfoSight.
Since the beginning, we embedded thousands of comprehensive sensors into the operating system.
With vEnvision, we take data from the VMware APIs, combine it with our own data, and try to present a complete picture of what's happening in your virtual environment.
We're here to develop models to try and make InfoSight as powerful as possible in terms of being something that can not only diagnose problems as they arise, but also predict problems that they might run into in the future.
Hi, I'm Michael Andek, Principal Technical Infrastructure Engineer for Siemens PLM Software. What we get from InfoSight is the ability to have a server-centric view of our ecosystem. The deep analytics they do on that give us trend analysis and let us see where we're going.
InfoSight provides us the business intelligence that we need. We can see the performance of each of those volumes. We can see the trends of the capacity, all within a few clicks.
Because InfoSight is taking care of all of these level 1 and level 2 issues. So when you phone in, you will have access to a level 3 technical support engineer. As a Nimble customer, you get to leverage all of that power of InfoSight and our data analytics team to cover your infrastructure.